Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories. Chapter 10, Shloka 36. I am the gambling of the fraudulent. I am the splendor of the splendid. I am victory. I am the determination in those who are determined. I am the goodness in the good.
Chapter 10, Shloka 36. Dyutam chalayatam asmi tejasvinam aham jayosmi vyavasayosmi sattvam sattvavatam aham.
Chapter 10, Shloka 36. Not only am I to be recognized among the majestic and the divine, among the beautiful and the charming, but also among the lowest of the low. I am what I am, for listen, of the deceptive games I am the dice play. In the game of dice, Pandavas lost and had to suffer because of Arjuna's elder brother's weakness to play the dice. Hence, this example is very striking. All kinds of gambling can be included in this term dice play. Splendor in the splendid am I. Splendor does not belong to the object from which the shine comes out. Splendor is not a quality but an experience. To facilitate the experience, the mind borrows the light to magnify and glorify the object, but the splendor itself has nothing to do with the ingredients or constituents that together give rise to the experience of splendor in our bosom. I am victory. I am effort. I am the goodness in the good. These are not qualities but experiences lived in these qualities that give us a chance to live in the self. These qualities create thought vibrations for a mental condition. If maintained for a long period, make the heart quiet and still. The reflected awareness becomes in that heart almost like the reality, and hence the very qualities are called the self. These 54 items of thought have been given in this chapter to indicate the one in the many. These items for contemplation are to be meditated upon by all sincere seekers. The true meaning has to be understood in our own subjective experience. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.